The other day, the woman drained the water from the courtyard. Today the furry kids can finally come out. Rush. Rush. What is Da Zhuang doing? Yesterday I saw the whole yard was flooded. Our only concern is the safety of our furry children. Everything else doesn't matter. Pony. Come on, help me. The net over there. It rained yesterday and it was a bit. Tube. Please help me get the ladder down so I can go up and take a look. Tube. Fortunately, I had previously made a preliminary renovation of the big house for my furry children. Dash is located at a higher altitude and the furry children were not pickled. What would it be like if the kennel had not been remodeled? What would it be like if the stock had a remodeled kennel? A scene where the yard is full of water-haired children with nowhere to go. I am scared just thinking about it. I'm scared just thinking about it. I'm scared just thinking about it. How did you do this, Brother Liang? Just let the ladder hit. How can this be a serious blow? It's slippery with mud and water everywhere. I accidentally hit the ladder while coming down. Liangzi. Yesterday. It rained when I was pumping water yesterday. I had a slight fever in the rain that night. Wait and see. After feeding them, clean up. Then you need to get the injection quickly. Just take care of it. Let's clean up quickly. Mulin. Why are you busy walking back and forth in the water when it's raining heavily? Severe cold with fever and cough. Severe cold, fever, cough. But looking at the eyes of the furry children who are dependent and trusting. I will also take care of myself. I will take care of myself too. I will also take good care of myself. The whole yard was flooded yesterday, which was a bit strange. Let's go around the yard to see if there's any water leak. Look at this little horse. The water on this road has come. Otherwise, our courtyard wouldn't have such a large amount of water. I see mushrooms growing. Still mushrooms. It's raining. Look here. This water is all washed down on this road. So everyone came to our courtyard 7. All run to this small courtyard. We have to block that place when we get back. Take a look. Look here. Slow down. My God, this is all mud. Look at this toke above. This is all rolling down. This is all coming down. Ouch, look here. There's a big hole here. Hey, isn't all the water going to us? We have to think of something when we come back. The idea is to build a dam. Sudden heavy rain. The ground of the courtyard is low-lying, and the water from above still reaches the courtyard. There is no drainage outlet in the yard. This will cause water to accumulate in the yard. So women will cause accumulation of magic in the whole courtyard. This is all about wiping the windows. I touched it and it's quite wet. This is more than 1 meter higher than our house. Slow down, Brother Liang. Oh my God, slow down. Go there, go up, go up. Your foot is still injured. Found the reason for the water entering the courtyard. We will also find ways to prevent it in the future. Minimize safety issues for furry children. Look at what you put on yourself. These 2 days, the stock method. We are all mud. Look, our yard is full of mud. We have to wait until it is completely dry before we rinse it with water. The yard is full of muddy furry children playing around in it. From fur kids to mud kids. No matter how sick I feel, I will take good care of my furry friends. Don't worry, furry kids. I will repair the courtyard as soon as possible. Give you a warm home. More than 30 furry kids still rely on me. We will never let our furry kids down. No matter how hard or tired you are, you must grit your teeth and persevere. We must not fall.